Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit subscribe and bell icons so that you can't miss my future videos. EMUI 10 is the latest version of EMUI that brings the magazine-style user interface, Miranda color schemes, reorganized icons, dark mode, colorful always-on display, redesigned camera app, new app transition effects, a whole new set of animations, and more. First, you need to install the beta user app. I will provide link of beta programs in the description of the video. After the installation, follow the instructions. 1. Log in your credentials. Launch the beta app. Accept terms and conditions. You need to log into your Huawei ID. This will only applicable for the first time only. If you don't have the Huawei ID, need to create a new account with original email or mobile phone number. 2. Join the beta campaign. Start app. Login, select personal, check in the bottom bar, join project, then go for available project. Then click on sign up to join the project. Once this process finishes, you will receive how to upgrade notification, then you can select to update your phone. During the test, if you face any problems you can go to report page, and select a module related to your problem, then input all necessary information and hit submit. Note, when you submit the issue, the app will ask you to agree to upload a log when you are not using Wi-Fi network. How to quit the beta program. Launch the app, login, select personal, join project, available project, select the project which you already joined, select sign out. After you quit the application, Huawei will remove your application within the time of 48 hours and you won't receive any official beta notifications. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for more updates.